In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a tag summary page in OneNote. Tag summary pages are a fantastic way to consolidate all your tagged notes into one organized overview. This makes it easier to review important points, track tasks, and manage information across multiple pages or notebooks without manually searching for each tag. To get started, open Microsoft OneNote and navigate to the notebook or section where you want to create your tag summary page. It's best to create a new blank page for the summary so that all the tagged content can be neatly displayed in one place. Next, go to the Home tab at the top of OneNote. Within this tab, look for the Tags group. Here, you'll find all the tagging options you've used throughout your notebook. These tags could include To-Do, Important, Question, Highlight, or any custom tags you've created for your workflow. Once you're ready, click on the Find Tags option. This opens the Tags Summary pane, which lists all the tagged items in the current notebook or section. The pane allows you to filter by tag type, date, or location, giving you control over which notes appear in your summary. Take a moment to adjust the filters so only the relevant tags are included. After reviewing the tags, you'll see an option to create summary page at the bottom of the Tag Summary pane. Click on it, and OneNote will automatically generate a new page that compiles all the selected tagged notes. Each entry in the summary page includes a clickable link, allowing you to jump directly to the original note if you need to view or edit it. The summary page can be customized further. You can add headings, adjust the layout, or include additional notes to make it easier to read and navigate. This creates a centralized hub for all your important tasks, questions, and highlights, improving your overall organization and efficiency. And that's it. You've successfully created a tag summary page in OneNote, giving you a clear and accessible overview of all your tagged notes in one place. This feature is especially helpful for managing large notebooks and staying on top of your tasks. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.